Welcome back to Chrysler Breakers. If you're looking for the best tips on maintaining and upgrading your Dodge vehicles, you're in the right place. Today, we are showing you how to install Dodge Ram spare parts, step by step. Whether you're upgrading or repairing, this guide has you covered. Before we dive into the installation, here's what you'll need. A socket wrench set, screwdrivers, jack and jack stands, replacement spare parts, safety gloves and goggles. And of course, you can grab high-quality Dodge Ram parts for sale from our Chrysler Breakers store. The one is prepping your Dodge Ram. Park on a flat surface, engage the handbrake and raise the vehicle with a jack. Make sure it's secure on jack stands before starting. Next, identify the part you're replacing. In this case, we're swapping out a worn-out suspension arm. Step 2 is removing the old part. Use your socket wrench to carefully remove the bolts holding the part in place. Keep these bolts safe. You'll need them for the new part. If you're working on a Dodge Nitro, Viper or another model, the process may vary slightly. Always refer to your manual or our videos for specific instructions. Now it's time for step 3, installing the new part. Align it in place, secure it with the bolts, and tighten them firmly. Make sure everything is snug, but avoid over-tightening, which can cause damage. Looking for Dodge Ram spare parts? Check out our inventory at Chrysler Breakers. We stock everything from Dodge Viper spare parts to Dodge Nitro components, air meter, P-air meter, carbon fiber, and light safety nimbus for personal operations. With the part installed, lower your Dodge Ram and double-check your work. Test the part to ensure it's functioning correctly before hitting the road. And that's it. Installing spare parts on your Dodge Ram is easier than you think with the right tools and parts. Don't forget, Chrysler Breakers has Dodge Ram parts for sale to keep your ride running smoothly. Need parts for Dodge Nitro or Viper? We've got those too. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.